Stick around to see a role-playing craft that takes about 5 minutes to prepare and gives your kids hours of fun. You guys don't want to miss this, so stay tuned.
What a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Hey everybody, it is Cheryl, the activity author, here to bring you another innovative craft. So before I tell you all about this sweet potato pie we made, that was so good. Y'all need to check out my other videos. I got over 100 videos on this channel, and I know if you like this video, you definitely gonna like my other videos, so check out. And also subscribe to the channel, like this video, go to my Instagram, because if you go to my Instagram, I got tons of reels and shorts, things like that, and inspiration that you may love. And so go ahead and check me out. I'm activity author on all platforms. And now let me tell you about the sweet potato craft. So I was just minding my business, and I was like, you know what? I feel like making some puffy paint. And I don't know if y'all know what that is, but if you want to know, write down in the comments right now, and I can show y'all how to make puffy paint. It is so simple, so easy. But I was thinking puffy paint with sweet potato pie. What can I make? And this idea just came to me. So I don't know if I created it, but I've never seen anybody do it before. So I'm going to claim it until somebody else say they made it up first. But anyway, it don't matter, because what's going to happen is this is going to be a fun new activity that I want y'all to try. Okay. So all you're going to need is a bowl. You're going to need some glue, and you're going to need some shaving cream. So honestly, I did not measure this out. I just took the glue, and I knew I wanted the ratio to be more glue to, well, yeah, about half and half of glue and shaving cream. Just because I want to get that nice waxy consistent, like melted wax consistency, because that's kind of what sweet potato pie looks. So I put about this much. I don't really know how to describe it because I did not measure like you see here. I'm just putting it together. So yeah, about half and half of each will give you the consistency you want. Then I went ahead and put some orange paint. And basically with the orange paint, I mixed it up, and it gave me this beautiful color. Of course, y'all know I am not in this show by myself. So it is my co-star, Kimmy, my daughter. She's 3 years old, and we are doing this craft together. So I suggest maybe 2 and up, because my second daughter is going to jump in here in a second, and she's 2. So I decided, let me go ahead and let them mix it up, because it's their craft. I'm doing this for them. So y'all go ahead and put in some work. Plus, they really wanted to be in on the action. Kids are going to want to be on the action, so let them mix it up. So this is about 2 minutes in of them mixing. You see it's coming out together very nicely, right? Oh, when I finished putting the little minions to work, this is what they came up with. Ooh, nice consistency. This is half glue, half shaving cream. Bam. That's what you want. So no science to it. Then you're going to go ahead and do the rest of the craft. So you're going to go ahead and pour it in some plates, and then you are going to do the crust. I'll show you how to do that, and then you and the kids can play and have fun. Okay, so this is the part in the craft where they gonna smooth it on over. You know how the old people say, smooth it on over. So basically, I'm pretending like the plate is a pan. You know, the pan that you would put your sweet potato inside. As we're playing, that is what I'm telling the kids, and I'm showing them, look, I want y'all to smooth it on out like it's a pie. We're gonna make a pie. So they are having a good time smoothing it on up. Gotta say smooth with the V, smoothing it on out. They are having way too much fun with this. So now all things must come to an end. So when parents, you decide you're done with them smoothing it on out, basically, you're going to put the crust on. So you should have cut up a bunch of squares of brown construction paper. So you're going to put it around the edges like you see us doing here. And basically your pie is done. Last step is putting the cotton ball on to represent the whipped cream. And really, y'all, that is it for this craft. You can play with it in so many ways. Like, let me show you how we do it. We have our little oven, and check this out. All right, don't forget to close the door.
We gotta wait to put it in the timer.
All right.
Look, we gotta wait to put the timer.
All right, put. Kimmy, you actually smelling it?
Yes,
What does it smell like?
it smells like pie.
Ooh. I can't wait to eat your sweet potato pie, girl. Sweet potato. We gotta get, come on, open it up. All right, yeah, that thing ain't ready. We gotta get it brown on the top a little bit. So yeah, close that up. Let that bake some more. We gotta get it brown on the top. No, we don't need that stuff. We don't need that. Does it look done to you? No, it don't look done to me, girl. We gotta get that thing brown on the top. Yeah. I gotta get. Ooh, that's the brown we want. Take that thing out. Take it out. Gentle, gentle. Ooh, 2 hands. Ooh, that looks so good. Ooh, yummy, yummy. Kimmy, you made pie.
Yeah.
I love it.
That makes your pie.
That's Leah's pie. Let me get Leah's pie. Ooh, these look good.
I can't wait to eat it.
I can't wait to eat it either. All right, so basically, if you don't have a kitchen, you can make one with a box. We just basically use a box. We put a sign that says oven, and we're going to pretend that this is an oven, y'all. Kids will play with anything if you use your imagination and you play right along with them, all right? Because you could not tell my daughter this was in an oven as well. So take your box, put your little sign on it, and y'all pretend to be baking the doggone pies in the box too. All right, so guys, I want to see how y'all play with this. So when y'all do this craft, please make sure y'all find me on Instagram, Activity Author, and make sure y'all tag me to whatever projects y'all made from my channel so I can support y'all
Right,
and shout y'all out.
And close the oven up. Close the oven. So oven. Close the top of the oven. Good. There you go. All right, we're gonna let it bake.
And guys, that is all she wrote. We are all done with this fun activity. I cannot wait to see y'all try this out. In the meantime, between times, y'all know the holiday season is coming up. And in case you haven't noticed, my name is Activity Author. Why is that? Because I have books. But yes, definitely check out my comedic family books that are perfect for you guys this season, this holiday season. So check out the description box below and grab your copy today. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for joining me. There are some more videos right here on the screen for you to check out and subscribe and keep the party going. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.